Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm sharing a very simple chicken curry recipe using chicken drumsticks. Let's get started. It's going to be delicious. Our recipe starts with about 2.5 pounds of chicken drumsticks, which I've gone ahead and removed the skin. I have 1 red onion here, which is nicely diced. 4 Roma tomatoes, nicely diced. 4 potatoes, cut in peeled and cut into chunks. A tablespoon cumin coriander mix. Garam masala, chili powder. A tablespoon minced garlic. A tablespoon minced ginger. 1 green chili, I'm using a jalapeno. I have some tomato paste here. Turmeric. I have some tomato puree, salt and pepper, some cilantro for garnishing and cooking, some chicken stock, and then I have some cream for finishing. We'll head to the stove and start browning the chicken and then start the recipe all together. Let's do this. We will start by adding some vegetable oil onto our pan. That's about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Straight on, we'll add our diced onions onto the pan. Give this a quick stir. We'll cook this onion until they are nicely browned. Season the onion, salt, and some pepper. And continue browning. Our onions here have nicely started to brown. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Give this a nice stir and have the garlic sweat. Once the ginger garlic have nicely sweated, time to add our spices. 1 tablespoon cumin coriander mix, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric. Give this a stir and have the spices bloom. Smells delicious here. Time to add a teaspoon of tomato paste. In goes our 3 diced tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes until they are nicely softened. Time to add our tomato sauce here. About a cup. Cook this until it cooks down. You want this to nicely thicken at the same time reduce. Remember, it's all about concentrating the flavors. So after about 5 minutes of constantly stirring on high-medium heat, our sauce here have thickened and become a nice thick paste. Time to introduce our chicken. We'll season our chicken here, salt and pepper. Add the chicken into the pan. Give this a nice stir. Make sure that the chicken is still coated with the paste, which carries all the flavors that we are building into our chicken curry. Cover this and let cook slowly on low heat. So our chicken has been bubbling here for about 10-12 minutes in our curry paste. You want to be careful with this stage because it's very easy to burn at the bottom of the pan. So constantly give it a stir. Time to add the rest of our ingredients. 2 bay leaves here. I'll add some cilantro. 1 green chili. I'm using jalapeno. This is a cup of chicken stock. You can use water. I'll give this a stir, scraping the bottom, release everything. Put the lid back and cook for about 5 minutes. Our curry is coming together here. It's time to add our potatoes here, about 3 or 4 potatoes. So this actually is a cross, or is a take which covers all bases. The Kenyan up country, they prefer to add potatoes in their dishes, while in coast is all about the rojo or the gravy. So this covers all bases. I will add a touch of water here, just being careful not to thin it way too much. So as always guys, thank you for watching. If you are watching today, please consider subscribing to this channel as a way of supporting it. Thank you so much. Season this salt, some more salt and pepper. Give everything a nice stir. Put the lid back, raise the heat to medium-high, cook until the potatoes are nicely softened and the chicken is cooked through. So it's been about 15 minutes. Everything looks very delicious. The chicken looks cooked. So I'm going to look for a potato here, poke it with a sharp knife. Yep, the knife goes through, so the potato is nicely cooked. And then to finish it up, I'm going to add just a touch of cream here. This makes it nice, creamy, and adds some richness. This is definitely optional. Some cilantro, fresh cilantro to finish. Next thing, to the table. Before that, we give it a taste. Make sure it's nicely seasoned. Maybe just a touch of salt here and some pepper. That's it. So as always friends, serve this family style all over a bowl of rice, or just as it is with a chapati or anything that you have. It's delicious. So there you have it my friends, our simple chicken curry, easy to make. You can add it to your weekly menu and I'm sure that you and your family will definitely enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you next week. Thank you.